मोहब्बत जी उंज कॾहिं बि पुछामण जी नाहे। मोहब्बत जी उंज कॾहिं बि पुछामण जी नाहे। प्रिय जे इश्क
1:05 p.m. Saturday.
Silence. 1 minute. Second of the bum in the year निकली ना. मां पहले जो मिसाल कहाँ के थी जान. तो माँ दादू नानियों अज उन्हनि जे मथां ई भार आहे त पंहिंजनि ॿारनि खे पंहिंजनि ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन खे सिंधी सेखारीनि. मां जॾहिं मुंहिंजा फोटो ॼाओ त सभु चवंदा भई लोलीअ सां ॿारु ॾाढो सुठे तो नमूने सुम्ही पवंदो. जॾहिं मां पंहिंजा ॿार खां उन्हनि खे लोली न ॾेई सघियसि छाकाणि त बराबरि कमाइण में बिज़ी थी वई हुयसि. जॾहिं हाणे मूंखे ईअं लॻो न कुझु मां पंहिंजनि ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन लाइ कयां मां उन्हनि खे लोली ॾेई करे सुम्हारींदी आहियां ऐं सचुपचु त हू ॾाढी मिठी निंड कंदा आहिनि. मां चाहींदसि तव्हां पंहिंजे नंढड़नि ॿारनि खे प्यार सां मोहबत सां लोली ॾेई करे सुम्हारियो. ॾिसो त हुन में केॾो न हिकु शक्ति आहे लोली में. जॾहिं मां ॾिए थी लोली त हुन में केॾी न शक्ति आहे. ॿारु केॾो न पीस सुम्हे थो. मां जॾहिं पूॼा कंदी आहियां मुंहिंजा नंढा ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन आहिनि उन्हनि खे पंहिंजे भरिसां विहारींदी आहियां. बराबरि तंग कंदा आहिनि. अञा प्रसाद रखण खां न पहिरीं त उहो खाई वेंदा आहिनि. वञे अची भॻवानु उन्हनि में आहे पर उन्हनि खे रोकियो न. उन्हनि खे अॻियां अचण ॾियो त जॾहिं ॾिसंदा तॾहिं उन्हनि में संस्कार पवंदा. जेकॾहिं ॾिसंदा ई कोन त संस्कार किथां पवंदा. त जी लोली मां हिन इहे जेका कैसेट जाग सिंधी जाग आहे उन में पंहिंजी लोलियूं जेके पंहिंजे ग्रैंड चिल्ड्रन लाइ मां ॻाईंदसि उहे मेरे रिकॉर्ड कयूं ऐं हीअ सभु हाणे सभिनी ॿारनि जे लाइ आहिनि. तव्हां जेका कैसेट वठी ॿुधंदा त वधीक सुठो थींदो. पर मां हिकिड़ी लाइन हिकिड़ी नंढी चई सघां थी जेका मां हुन में लिखी आहे. माखी खां बि मिठड़ो मुंहिंजो मिसरी खां बि मिठड़ो मुंहिंजो नंढड़ो नंढड़ो ॿारु मुंहिंजो सुहिणो सुठड़ो ॿारु. इहा लोली हिन में ॻाल्हि अथव. जॾहिं ॿुधंदा तव्हांखे ज़रूरु वणंदी. ऐं थोरी बि मां वरी चवंदसि त सॼो भार सिंधी ॿोलीअ खे बचाइण जो ज़ालुनि जे मथां आहे. न त हिन जो नालो मातृभाषा न हुजे पितृभाषा हुजे. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
सभिनी जो इश्तियाक आहे हींअर असीं दादा राम जेठमलाणी साहिब जिन खे ॿुधूं. तव्हांजे साम्हूं आहे दादा राम जेठमलाणी.
अरे ये पटी तो बंद करियो. मां ॿियनि खे ॾिसां मुंहिंजा सिंधी भाउरो ऐं दोस्तो ऐं मुंहिंजो सिंधी भेनरूं ऐं साहेड़ियूं. भाउ झमट जो भाषण ॿुधो मूंखे 1930 जो महात्मा गांधी यादि आयो. राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस ते वियो महात्मा जी. किंग जॉर्ज V उनखे पंहिंजे बकिंगहैम पैलेस में घुरायो त तूं अची मूंसां चांहि पी.
This is the Sindhi Sammelan. Welcome to the Sindhi Sammelan.
Thank you. Hang on. Come back here. Come back. I'm Russ.
Robbie, right. How you doing? All right?
Good, how you doing?
Good. You just arrived or what?
Yeah.
Missed the party.
I did. I've been backpacking. I've been backpacking tonight. Don't worry about that. Yeah.
We'll go animals. We'll go
Guys, you don't mind if I ask you to just give us your opinion, your names, and tell us so far your experience that you had since yesterday you arrived.
Okay, this is cool just because this is my first Sammelan. My name is Bharat Vasandani. Everyone calls me Rishi. It's a long story, don't need to know.
All right.
So I live in the Caribbean, that's where I'm from. I studied in Boston and now I live in Birmingham, actually, around the corner. And I'm working over here. This is my first Sammelan I've ever been on. So far it's actually been a really good experience because I actually don't know a lot of people.
Good, good.
And there was not once that I've ever met in the past like 10 months that I've been here one Sindhi. I've met maybe Sindhis, but they're all Pakistanis.
All right.
Which was cool enough because Sindhi culture is the same.
Yeah. Good. That's great. That's great.
So I came over here and boom, I just met so many people that live in London about it.
And how was the boat party yesterday?
Oh, it was good. Actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything that you may comment on? Let's say something, any negative or
That's what makes
Food is good.
that's the main thing.
Negatives. Boat was too small.
too small?
I mean,
All right.
that's as far as I think. What else? Negatives?
What about?
Too small? Really?
What about?
Too much.
Outcome was too much. No, I just heard that past Sammelans had been bigger. I wouldn't know by personal experience.
All right.
I just thought there would be more people.
And what about here, the Wembley Center? What anything that
The
you think
center.
itself?
The
And
center's a cool location.
and how about the food? Yeah.
What I like about the location is that Wembley Park is right behind you. And that's going to be a new English stadium. Which is
Right.
really cool because you actually see all that sort of
Okay, man. Appreciate it.
no problem.
Enjoy yourself, man.
Take care.
Thanks.
We don't meet very often. If we meet in the evening.
I'm from London. I'm London Sindhi. I think it's a really good thing, and I'm very proud that it's in London this year, because I think that we need to be more connected to the youth and to know what Sindhi is. So I'm very happy about that. I've heard that the American ones are like a lot better. So if this isn't as good, but this is still good for us because we've never had anything like this.
Is this
So-
your first experience?
First.
Yeah. Okay. And how was the boat party yesterday?
It was fun.
Yeah.
It's small, but still manageable. It was fun.
That's good. Your first day was yesterday.
Yeah.
Would you say if there was anything negative?
No.
Nothing?
The icebreaker I thought was really good.
Yeah.
Everything could be organised better, but then it's never going to be because no one's going to be like perfect all the time. So,
True. Any ideas?
Any ideas? No, I think that the way that it's going is quite good. I think we need more kind of telling us about what Sindhi is. We've got this timeline now, but we need more of that.
Cool.
Celebrating Sindhi is good, but we need to learn more about
A lot
it.
more.
Especially I think the London youth is very disconnected from
So you would like to see something
Yeah.
towards that, eh?
yeah.
Okay, cool. Thanks a lot. All right. Avon room. All right, we'll start with you. What's your name?
I'm Naveed Sharmani.
All right. Okay. Okay.
Dina Wadwani.
All right, cool.
Yeah, the party was really good yesterday. The music was really good.
Now, tell me something about your experience on the Sammelan here at the Wembley Center.
I think it's great. Good venue. Very large. I think it's really adequate with everyone.
Yeah.
Security is well managed. The party that stands up in the security space. It's comfortable. You can move around. It's not too big so that you don't lose lots of time walking around.
Oh, good. Now, have you experienced anything negative?
From the timing.
Yeah, I mean, if it says 3:30 here,
That's a standard with Sindhis.
it'll end up happening at about 5.
Sindhi Sammelan.
Right.
So everything is delayed by about an hour.
So you guys, that's not a big problem, eh? Yeah. All right. Now, if there was anything different you could do, what would it be?
I think like they do in America, it's quite handy to have all the rooms, conference rooms, and everything in one hotel, so everyone just stays in the same
Place,
Here people
yeah.
are going back and forth.
Right.
Some people who live in London are very off. Like when everyone's in one place, it's a lot more convenient.
Yeah.
It's quite hard in London to do that.
That's true. I think that's probably one of the things that the organizers have found to be a problem, but unfortunately it wasn't big enough of a hotel that can accommodate so many of us. All right. Now, the boat party. I know you said it was pretty good. Anything again negative about it?
It's a bit crowded.
But yeah, that's a good thing in a way. You can't complain about that. You
Right.
can't expect the place to be huge.
I guess everybody wanted to be there, so they try to accommodate everybody.
The victim represents success.
Yeah, that's true. So you guys all had a good time.
Great.
Great. Guys, thanks, man. All right.
So sorry, the
No, tell me honestly, how was the Sammelan been?
You know, I like it a lot, and I want my kids to go now.
Yeah.
To attend.
Is it the first time?
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be so educational. And for the kids, it's so good to be able to meet other Sindhis. For our kids especially, it's very good.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, I think that's pretty much what the idea is.
Yeah. And you can see them, like when we went to the debate, they really do want to learn their language and they want to know their culture. But we as parents are a bit lazy. That's what it is. We haven't pushed them. All the other cultures pushes them. The Greeks have a Greek school, the Gujarati have a Gujarati school, the Punjabis have their own school in this country. You know, what else? Arabic people are very determined to speak, learn to read and write Arabic.
Right.
What do we do? Party too late last night, skip the lesson altogether, today.
We didn't party last night.
You know what I mean? It's very, our attitude is very laissez-faire.
That's true. I don't know whether you're aware, but then there's actually a Sindhi CD that is out that actually
Yes, Sindhi language.
teaches the Sindhi language.
We
Eh?
bought 12.
Oh, you did? Oh, okay.
1 copies today because we didn't want to burn them.
We're not going to burn them, no.
We're legitimate.
They deserve to make any money.
These are not franchise.
No, I appreciate that input. But
Yes.
you guys went for the boat party or no?
No.
No. Eh? Cool. Anyway.
Did you go?
No.
Where's Selena?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashok. Happy birthday to you. Just move the bottle. Ashwin, can you move these bottles? Vadayu, vadayu, sabdin ke vadayu. Vadayu, vadayu.
Race number 2 is a flat race. Kirpalanis Hi-Fi Sounds handicap. You may find that Anjali has still got 1 or 2 hands. Whether that will do you any good or not is another matter. Are you all right, missus? All right.